I'm thrilled to have you join us for today's video, where we'll be diving into some crucial growth hacks that you absolutely need to know. Now, we all know that building a thriving tech channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of dedication. But what if I told you that there are some common mistakes that could be holding you back from reaching your full potential? We're going to shine a light on those pitfalls and equip you with the knowledge to avoid them. Consider this your ultimate guide to tech channel growth hacks and the mistakes you should steer clear of. From creating useless thumbnails to awful video titles, we'll be dissecting each mistake and providing you with actionable solutions to overcome them. So, if you're ready to take your tech channel to new heights, like this video and subscribe to this channel and let's change the tech space. But wait, there's more. We'll also be sharing real-life examples from successful tech channels, revealing how they turned their setbacks into triumphs. Get ready to learn from the best in the business. So, grab your notepads and get ready to level up your tech channel game. Without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the mistakes you should avoid at all costs. Now, we understand that as a small tech channel, you want to stand out and catch the viewer's attention. But sometimes, in an attempt to be unique or eye-catching, creators end up creating thumbnails that are overly complicated and ultimately useless. Why is this a problem, you might ask? Well, let's break it down. Complicated thumbnails with too much going on can confuse viewers and fail to convey the essence of your video. Remember, your thumbnail is like a visual preview of what your video is about, and it should entice viewers to click and watch. Instead, opt for simple and effective thumbnails that clearly represent the content of your video. A clean and focused thumbnail with a clear subject and relevant text can make a world of difference in attracting viewers and increasing click-through rates. Looking at channel like Mr. Who's the Boss, you can see how his thumbnails look very simple with it not being clustered. A thumbnail like this would easily speak into the heart of the viewer who sees it to click on the video to know what this beautiful package, which is the thumbnail, contains. So, how can you create compelling yet simple thumbnails? Here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Choose a central subject. Select a clear and visually appealing image that represents the main focus of your video. This could be a product, a screenshot, or anything that captures the essence of your content. 2. Use bold and legible text. Add concise and easy-to-read text that highlights the key topic or benefit of your video. Make sure the text stands out and complements the overall design. 3. Maintain consistency. Develop a consistent style for your thumbnails that aligns with your channel's branding. This helps viewers recognize your content and builds trust and familiarity. Remember, your thumbnail is your first impression, so make it count. By avoiding the mistake of creating complicated and useless thumbnails, you'll be well on your way to attracting more viewers and growing your tech channel. If you have any question or experience about thumbnail creation, leave that in the comment section below. Also, we understand that as a small tech channel, you want your videos to be discovered and watched by as many people as possible. But sometimes, in an attempt to be descriptive or straightforward, creators end up writing titles that are simply awful and fail to captivate potential viewers. This is a problem, but, well, let's break it down. Your title is the first thing viewers see when they come across your video. Let's look at Marques Brownlee's video titles. You can see that they are very straight to the point and tells the viewer what the video is about. Like this video here. Using Apple Vision Pro, what it's actually like. By just looking at this title, you would know the video is about what to expect when you buy the Apple Vision Pro. And this other video here, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Review. Why buy anything else? This video also tells the viewer right away that the video talks about the features of the phone and why you shouldn't but anything else. If your title doesn't grab attention and spark curiosity, viewers are less likely to click and watch. So instead, aim to create titles that are both informative and intriguing. Here are a few tips to help you write better titles for your tech videos. 1. Be concise and specific. Keep your titles short and to the point, highlighting the main topic or benefit of your video. Avoid vague or generic titles that don't provide any value to potential viewers. 2. Use power words. Incorporate strong and attention-grabbing words that evoke curiosity or excitement. Words like ultimate, amazing, unbelievable, or game-changing can pique interest and make your title stand out. 3. Create a sense of urgency. If applicable, add a time element or urgency to your titles. Phrases like limited time offer, now available, or don't miss out can create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, and encourage viewers to click. By avoiding the mistake of writing awful titles, you'll significantly increase your chances of attracting more viewers and growing your tech channel. Instead of solely focusing on how-to videos, let's explore the power of creating tech videos that solve problems. Now, how-to videos have their place in the tech world, and they can be incredibly helpful for viewers seeking specific instructions. However, solely relying on how-to content might limit your channel's potential for growth. Like this channel here, 5-Minute Solution, they have over 36,000 subscribers, but when they upload any of the how-to videos, they do not even reach 1,000 views. This should tell you that people are not interested in learning how to do stuffs anymore, but seeking how to fix tech problems they face daily. By shifting your focus towards creating tech videos that solve problems, you can tap into a broader audience and establish yourself as a go-to resource in your niche. So, what exactly do we mean by problem-solving tech videos? Well, these are videos that address common challenges, provide solutions, and offer valuable insights to viewers. They go beyond step-by-step instructions and dive deeper into the underlying issues that tech enthusiasts face. Here are a few reasons why creating problem-solving tech videos can be beneficial for your channel. 1. Tap into a larger audience. By addressing common problems, you can attract viewers who may not be actively searching for how-to videos, but are seeking solutions to their tech-related issues. 2. Establish expertise and credibility. When you consistently provide valuable solutions, viewers will see you as an authority in your niche. This can lead to increased trust, engagement, and even collaborations with other tech creators. 3. Long-term value. Unlike how-to videos that may become outdated as technology evolves, problem-solving tech videos tend to have a longer shelf life. People will continue to search for solutions to common problems, giving your videos the potential for long-term views and engagement. So, the next time you're brainstorming video ideas for your tech channel, consider focusing on problem-solving content. Identify the challenges your target audience faces and provide them with valuable solutions and insights. And that's a wrap on our video about tech channel growth hacks and the mistakes you should avoid. I hope you found these tips helpful and insightful. If you're hungry for more valuable content to help you grow your tech channel, I've got just the video for you.